Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't been posting lately. I started class again, but my professor canceled class, so I just washed my car and I'm gonna go try to take some pictures. I have the drone, hopefully get the drone up and get some nice videos for you guys. Alright, so I'm heading over to Key Biscayne. Hopefully I can get some pictures there. If not, I'll probably go to Wynwood or Miami Beach. So I'll let you guys know when I get there. Alright, so I just got here to Key Biscayne. I took some pictures under Rickenbacker Causeway. There was just a lot of people, so I moved up a bit and I'm gonna try to get some more pictures. I was gonna take my drone up, but I forgot my phone, so I can't connect it to the drone, but I'll probably come back out tomorrow and try to get some drone footage for you guys for the video. Alright, so I just finished taking up some more pictures. I'll put them in here for you guys. Either way, they'll also be on my Instagram, so don't forget to go follow my Instagram. It's at tesla.m3. Alright, so I just took some more pictures by Bayfront Park. I'm probably just gonna drive around a little more and then I'm just gonna head home. Alright, so I got home and the car started vibrating, so I took off the two rear tires and it turned out they both had sidewall bulges. So I lifted the car up and I left it like that, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna go ahead and go get two new tires and get it fixed. But for now, that's gonna be the end of this video, and then hopefully once I get it fixed, I'll go back out to Key Biscayne or Wynwood and maybe do some road trips and get the drone up. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.